Good day to all. Today we are going to see about that 5 by 2 control valve. In that 5 by 2 control valve, you will see with the name C of 5 and 2. 5 indicates that 5 ports P, A, B, T1 and T2. 5 ports and 2 positions. 2 position is nothing but this is the one position and this is another one position. As we know earlier, this is the spool one, this is the spring, and this is only the valve bud. It is the same like as 4 by 2 control valve. Here also sliding type and rotary type. First we will see about the sliding spool valve type. So the figure shows the spring return type sliding spool valve. Here you can see this is the spring return type spring valve. It has a spring loaded spool inside the valve body. This is the valve body, so it has a spring loaded inside the valve body. In figure it is palm button operated spring return type of valve. This is the palm button, here the palm switch. Okay, the palm switch will operate like this spring. This is the valve body. Then in this position of figure A, there is a connection between P2A and P2T2. See, you can see here P2A and P2T2. Okay. Here this connection is working fluid flow to cap to end part of cylinder. As we know already, in that cylinder there is a two part, rod end and cap end. This cylinder have a two parts. This is the rod end and the cap end. This is the normal position. Then there is a retraction position also there. If it is pressed, the piston will come inside, and if it is retraction, it will go to return position like this. Okay. Likewise, we will see the P2A and P2T workflow. It flows to the cap end of port of cylinder and come out from a rod end port. Hence, double acting cylinder is externed, because see, this part is connected, this A part is connected with the rod end, this B part is connected with the rod end, and this A part is connected with the cap end. So here the P is denotes pump, and T1 T2 or tank, as I said in that 4 by 2 direction control, same as here. This will connection, this A will connected to that cylinder of cap end part, and this B will connected with the rod end part. Now it is in the normal position. The pump pressurized air. If it is a pneumatic, it is pressurized air. If it is hydraulic, then pressurized oil. Here is the pressurized air or gas will come here, and it will move to that A with that cap end. So, and it's come out from the rod end. Hence, the double acting cylinder is external. When the palm button is pressed, if you are pressed this button, here you can see, if you are pressing this button, then this spring is compressed. Okay, then the connection will also move. You can see here, this spool is here like this, and here it will come here, right? This spool part is here in this air drawing. See here, here it is come here. When it will happen, when we will switch on that palm. See, you can hear this part is here and the spring is in normal position. If you are pressing that palm switch, then this position will come here. This position will come here, and this spring is also compressed. Okay. So when the palm is pressed, the pull position is shown here. See, there is a connection from P to B, whereas in that before position, the connection between A to P to A, now it is P to B and A to T1. Okay, here this position is connected with that P to A, and if it is any return here, then it will come to P to T2. Whereas here the connection pressurized L will go for from P to B. Then it flows to rod end of a cylinder, where this one is the A is connected with cap, and here it is B connected with the rod end, as I said before. So the pressurized air will go from P2 to B, then A2 to T1 works flowing fluid rod to end cylinder of this P connection. Then this come out from the cap end part, hence the double acting cylinder is retract. So here in that position is retraction takes place. Here retraction takes place, here extraction takes place. This is the DCV, direction control valve, that sliding spool valve. Then this is the direction control valve. Another one is a rotary spool valve. This also same 5/2, and it has a rotary spool inside the valve body. Okay, this is the valve body. This is the rotation movement. It's rotated through 72 degree to operate that valve. In the spool position, as in shown figure A, there is a connection between P to A and P2 to T2. Here same, the A is connected with the cap end and B is connected with the rod end. Hence the double acting cylinder is extant, because the pressurized air will come from P to A. This A will go to cap end of that cylinder. If it is air go to cap end of cylinder, then the cylinder will extend. Then the cylinder will extend here. Likewise, in when the spool is rotated to 72 degree, whereas in 4/2 direction control valve, we will see this degree is 90 degree there. Here in that 5/2 valve, here it is 72 degree. Then spool position as shown in figure like this. See, you can see here it is like here, and the connection between P to A and P to T2. Whereas here the connection between A to T1 and P to P. The pressurized air will come from P to B. Okay. So there is a connection between P2 to P, and this P, where it will connected in that cylinder, in that rod end. So if the pressurized air will come from this P and it will go to P, where it is connected with that rod end of that particular cylinder, and it comes out from the cap and port. Hence the double acting cylinder is retracts here. Here is retraction takes place. These two valves similar like as 4/2 direction control valve, whereas in that construction wise also there is a 4 port which is only one T1. Here it's T1 and T2, whereas in that 4/2 direction control valve there is only one T position. If you are compare with that rotary type, here it is a 72 degree. See, you can see here it is a 72 degree, whereas in that 4x2 control valve 90 degree. As well as the port also 4 port there, A, B, P and T. Here it is A, B, P, T1 and T2. Thank you.